Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine and fit and giving exam with very entho. Yeah, and I hope you understand the way how to do the online exams. It's a good experience for you to, because coming days are for our online only. So you are just as a trial, you will learn many things from this. Even your parents are also learning. Sometimes I feel the God makes so many things deliberately that we should learn. And really we are also learning. Everyone is learning today. A great thing, right? We should thankful to the God for make us learning. Yes, I already discussed with you the two topics which were already about the civics topic, that is the role of the government in health. And we are going to talk about this, how the government take a care of people, and actually the welfare of the people is very important, and how the government used to take care. So we are going to talk about the public and private healthcare services, and we are going to discuss this topic in detail wise. From the stories what I discussed you earlier, you must be understood that roughly you must be understood that this is health is divided into various two categories, that is public health and private health services. So we will first discuss about public health service. So public health service and private health service, these are the two categories what I was telling to you. You can see this picture. Then what is public health service? We will discuss this. What is public health service? Public health service is a chain of a health centers and hospitals run by the government. Government used to run this public health centers. Nowadays we are listening about more about the health, and we are discussing about every time health. We are talking about health. Your mother is telling about health. You everywhere is we are finding health and health, because in this pandemic we want to take care of health. And see, in this pandemic how the government play a vital role. You go through the newspapers, you will understand. So health is very important, essential, right? Then we'll talk about in the chain of the health centers and hospitals. It's run by the government of India. It's of all areas of rural and the urban areas. It's run not only in the urban area or not in only the rural area, but in both areas. So public health centers used to do all this. And at the village level, there are the health centers where they usually for the nurses and the village health workers, they are trained and dealing with the common illness under the supervision of doctors. That is called primary health centers, PHC. They are called primary health centers. Such centers covered by the district hospital, and they also supervise all the health centers. The large cities have many government hospitals, such as one of you can find in the story of Adnan. And even yesterday I talked the story of Arman, and even Hakim Sheikh. I discussed this story, right? So you can find out, you have to lament that story with this topic. So the health center is called a public, and for the many reasons, in order to fulfill its commitment providing the health center to all citizens of India or all citizens, the government have established big hospitals and taking care of the hospitals. Then this is about the private hospital. Then we'll talk about private hospital. Before that, I would like to tell you about the public hospital. That is, another important thing is, these facilities are given by the government for everyone. It is not for the rich people or poor people, for everyone. How you are going to take, that is important. One of the most important aspects of the public health center services have the free treatment. This is a very important, this is free treatment on the basis of ration card. You can find, if your ration card is that age, that type card, you will get that services. And another important function of the public center is to take action to prevent to spread diseases like such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea and chikungunya, and I will also add COVID-19. Because COVID-19 is also a such type of the disease, by that the government is taking care. Private hospitals are totally closed and government is providing services. And nowadays so they are finding so many medicines for this. And this is to be organized by the government with the participation of the people. Otherwise, no work can be possible. Without participation, there is no gain. So otherwise it is not effective. For example, when we are taking a campaign to see the mosquitoes do not breed in water coolers, rooftop, and done to be all houses. Now just now I can give you example of this corona COVID-19. Without mask you can't go out, or without washing your hands. These are all remedies what the doctor is telling, prevention doctor is telling to you. That is nothing but telling by the government. You can find the Prime Minister also talk on this matter. So really, when real the cases of Hakim Sheikh, would you like to know about the quote of this case? You have studied Hakim Sheikh's story, yesterday I discussed. According to our constitution, it is a primary duty of the government to secure the welfare of the people and providing the healthcare facilities at all, to all one. The government must be have safeguard of the right of the person life. So right of the life is our right. Life of the right is above every person. The court said that in the difficulty of Hakim Sheikh had to face and cost had to be cost him his life. If the hospitals cannot provide timely medicine treatment of the person, it means they have to, this protection of the life is to be given. So in such cases of Hakim Sheikh, you have studied the story, you have to relevant that story with this public hospitals or public health centers. So court can take, you can go to the court and you can take an action, court can take an action. The court also said that it is a duty of the government to provide necessary facilities or necessary equipments to the person who at the time of health. Right. Now next point we will discuss about the private health centers. There is a wide range of private health centers in our country. Thousands of children are taking MBBS and they want to be a doctor, and like this you can find out. Then, so what are the factors? We will talk about the private health center. There is a wide range. You can find large doctors are running and they have a special clinic. And in the rural areas, we find the registered medical practitioner. That is RMP. That is registered medical practitioner. He is a practitioner. So you can find RMPS. The urban areas are large number of the doctors. Many of them providing special services. There are the hospitals, nursing homes, and you can find even the private hospitals, and there are many laboratories that do tested and offer facilities. There are good facilities in private hospital. Not you have studied that story, you can relevant that story with this. So in this way you can find public health centers and for everyone. At the same time, the private health centers are not owned by controlled by the government, unlike their public centers. Private sectors, patients have a lot of money they have to spend in services. Today, the presence of private health facilities can be all around you. People don't want to go to public hospital. They want to go in private hospital because cleanliness, fast treatment, and personally taking care. There are so many things. You can differentiate with these two categories, private and public. Then you will find what are the factors affecting the health. What are the education, income of the lifestyle, income and the lifestyle and family size. So if uneducated people, they affected those who are illiterate. So education done by the government. Education doesn't mean a degree. Education means to giving the guidelines and to understand the guidelines given by the people or government. Then income and lifestyle. What is your lifestyle? What you are earning? You can see such people, they feel very easily attacked because they are in slum areas. Their lifestyle in slum areas. Now family size, if you have a less family or big family, that is also. These are the factors affecting the health. Then we'll discuss about the healthcare divided in India. As I have discussed you public health services and private health services. You can find here public health services and private health services. Public health services is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government, and private is a large number of doctors run their own private clinic. They cover both rural and urban areas. You can see the public, where you find the urban areas have a large number of doctors, and also they provided special services. And you will find the provided treatment of all kinds of problem from the common illness as to specialized services. Here in this hospital, the hospital having nurses, nursing homes, and they having private owned. They are not run by the government. In private hospital, patients have to pay a lot of money for every services, and they have to take care. You can find out this difference between the public and private. You can understand by this how the government is divided, because both things are very important. All burden should be not go to the government hospital. So sometimes private also works well. Okay. Then we will discuss what is WHO. Every time nowadays you are listening in the news that WHO, World Health Organization, every day. Yesterday, 2 days back, he talked about the COVID cases will be more, and you will find there are there is no that much treatment will be taking too much. Now it become airborne disease also. So according to WHO, health is a state of complete physical and mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So according to WHO, this is not in your textbook, but this lesson should require this, so I added. WHO provided prevent health care through the programs that included health education, food and nutrition, safe water on the basis of sanitation. So you will find such things were done by the WHO, not only for our India, whole world. There is one committee, WHO organization. So it's always talk about the health of the whole world, not India. So you can find out WHO works very well. Every day, now and then, you will find in the news, you will find the persons are talking. There are president, there are elections, everything is like that. Organization it is. Then we will talk about some assignments I would like to discuss with you. Now, yesterday we discussed that 2 stories. Let me discuss these questions. Why did Rajan have to spend so much money? Give the reason why he. I think so. You've gone through the story in last video, and if not, you will listen. Please read the textbook in that story on page number, I think so, 22 or 23. Then Rajan had to spend a lot of money. Why? Because he took a treatment. I think so. He took a treatment in the private nursing home. Secondly, he had purchased the medicine from the open market, and he had to spend a lot of money for the testing and consulting fee of the doctor and all. So maybe this is a reason. Then next, what the problem did Aman face in the public hospital? How do you think the hospital can work in better manner? So what you will think? How it will manner? So now what is the problem Aman faced? Not availability of doctors. Then young and non-operation equipment, no facility was there in that medicines and all. So much crowd you find, and indifference of doctors, and proper and strict administration can be get a hospital. There should be discipline in the hospital. There should be proper people appointed for the everything. So then it will be a decency, or there will be the people get a good treatment. Then where do you go when you are ill? Are there any problems that you face? Write a paragraph based on your experience. Now this is your experience. You will write what is your experience. So where you go when you are ill, what you face, please write in the paragraph. And what problem do we face in private hospital? Write something on this. What you face in private hospital. Actually I did discuss, so you write few lines on this. The private hospital, what you find in what are things a good problem. I want problem. I don't want what you are facilitated. Facilitated is natural, that is private, and you are facilitated. But you have to write the problem. So this is the assignments what I want to give you. It is nothing but the in-text questions. Please write down in-text question in the notebooks. And when you come back, we will be able to check it. No problem for this. Okay, I hope you understand these 2 topics, public health and private health centers. And please read the newspapers. By that you will understand more and more things, because civics is nothing but the newspaper. And you know, it is a grateful, the government of India used to say nobody wants social science, but social science is everywhere. What we are in this now pandemic is nothing but social science. So please go through the study social science well, and we in our school also we got a very good result of social science. So I hope you will also giving me a bright future. Thank you and God bless you.